Rolled in on a flatbed, wheels hanging low, dust-covered dreams from decades ago. Chrome all fade, paint long gone, but under that rust was a heart holding on. They said she's a basket case, but I saw more, a whisper of a man's and old Concours lore. So I left her with the masters, wrenches in hand, in a shop where legends are born from the sand. Now she's a showstopper, center stage glow, Pebble Beach shine with that old school soul. Frame off magic, panel gap tight, every bolt torque just right by the midnight light. It takes more than money, it takes heart and pride to bring steel and soul back to life. Craftsmen with calipers, stitching the seams, matching the leather to long-lost dreams. Hammering dolly bare metal finesse, chasing perfection with every process. Engine torn down, blueprinted with care, so she roars like the devil with class and flair. No shortcuts taken, no detail ignored, just blood, sweat, and torque in that old Ford. She's a showstopper, Concours queen. Judges lean close just to see what they mean. Mirror beneath her, reflections don't lie. They see decades of skill in a single headlight. It's more than repair, it's resurrection. It's craft, it's art, it's pure connection. English wheel curves to paint laid deep, to old school tricks they still swear to keep. Every touch, every thread, every chrome line is a tribute to time and the hands that define. She's a showstopper, best in class, from a barn to the lawn with a touch of badass. Trophy in hand, but it's more than that. It's the soul of the builder under every badge. 'Cause winning ain't luck, it's years of lore in that little shop behind the corrugated door. So here's to the ones with the patience and grit, who take broken dreams and recommit restoring more than just steel and chrome. They bring the past back home.